In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an emoji using a shortcut. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to add emojis while writing an email using the built-in Windows Emoji Panel. This is especially handy when you want to add a friendly touch to a message without digging through menus or copy-pasting from another site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open your inbox. Once you're in, look for the button to create a new message and select it. This opens a blank email draft, which is perfect for demonstrating the shortcut. Click inside the message box so your typing cursor is active. This is important because the shortcut only works when you're focused on a text field. Now for the shortcut itself. Press the Windows key and the period key together. You can also use Windows key plus semicolon. Both do the same thing. The emoji panel will pop up near your cursor. From here, you can click any emoji to insert it directly into your email. You'll see categories along the bottom, and you can scroll to explore. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top of the panel. Type a word like smile, thumbs, or party, and Windows will filter the options instantly. Many emojis support different skin tones. Just pick your preferred tone the first time you select a hand-style emoji, and Windows will remember your choice. You can add as many emojis as you like without closing the panel. Just keep clicking to insert them. If you prefer the keyboard, use the arrow keys to move around and press Enter to select. When you're done, click back into your message or press Escape to close the panel. Your emojis will stay exactly where you placed them. If the panel doesn't appear, double-check that your cursor is in the message box and try the shortcut again. This feature is built into modern versions of Windows and works in most places you can type, including browsers, documents, and many chat apps. In Outlook on the web, it's a fast, consistent way to keep your tone friendly and clear. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, start a new email, click in the message area, and use Windows key plus period to bring up the emoji panel. Try it a couple of times to build the muscle memory, and you'll be dropping the right emoji at the right moment in no time.